Tinulungan nila ang gobyerno. Dead or alive yan. Wala akong sinabing aresto dyan. Letseng yan. Civilization never improve. Ito yung at all costs, he must be captured alive while you shoot dead. Ito yung droga. Sinabi ko nga, remind, yung briefer, yesterday or last night, I was reading it, may police na naman akong napatay. By bust rin, sir, ganun. So, usually, ang order ko, ilagay dyan sa yung TV ng gobyerno, yung lahat ng arrests and lahat incidents involving drugs. Makita ninyo lahat. May mga araw, may 2 patay. Pero pagdating sa human rights, gawin nila yan times 5.